How you doing? My name is Trenius, Henderson. You're tuning into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. Listen, for those of you who want to know how to get 100% results from the law of attraction, I'm about to tell you exactly how to do that, okay? First of all, it's hot out here. Woo! I just came from the gym too, a little sweaty. Feeling good, feeling motivated though. But I just felt like, you know what? It's a lot of people who realizing they don't know about the law of attraction like the way I do. You know, I started learning about the law of attraction like 3 years ago. You know, and ever since I learned these things that I'm about to tell you, it's been working for me back to back, boom, 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 boom. All the time, the law of attraction been working for me. And I've been getting major results. Like I just got off the phone with Amazon, because I'm an Amazon FBA. And I sell products for Amazon. Amazon is a $1 billion company, you know, and so they like me a lot because I'm able to get people to buy products and stuff like that. But none of this would have been possible. You know, none of this would have been possible. Having 1,200 plus videos, getting 11,000 subscribers a month. None of this stuff wouldn't been possible if I had not known these things I'm about to tell you right now. So. Listen, you'll thank me later. I'm about to tell you some super powerful stuff that'll help you get 100% results using the secret law of attraction. And listen, this is secret stuff they don't even tell you. Rhonda Byrne and them don't even tell you this. Bob Proctor and them don't even tell you this type of stuff. This is true, real life stuff. I'm on the porch right now, and I'm telling you how powerful what I'm about to tell you is, okay? Now listen, once upon a time, I didn't even know what my purpose was. I didn't know why I was created. I didn't know why I was here on earth. I didn't know what the next 5 years was looking like for me, okay? And this is around the time I began to learn about the law of attraction. Now, if you were like me, when you learned about the secret law of attraction, when you first started learning about it, it was just like a big learning process. You were just learning, reading, getting into all this information, all this metaphysic, esoteric information. But it was quite pleasing for the soul. You know, it was like fulfilling your appetite. You were starting to finally feel full after all these years of tasting stuff that you don't like. You know, and so it's the same thing for me when I took that bite. I was just learning. But at that time, I didn't know what I was created for. Like, I didn't know that, like, if I was doing the right thing. I was doing a lot of different things that interest me, okay? But none of this stuff was working. And I began to ask myself, like, why isn't this stuff working? I just learned about the secret law of attraction, how to manifest and attract things to me, whatever that meant. I didn't know. But I'm like, yo, why isn't my life taking off? You know what I'm saying? I was hungry for a better lifestyle like I am now. Aren't you hungry for a better lifestyle? Don't you want that dream house on the hill or that house on the lake? Woo, multi-million-dollar mansion. Don't you want your favorite car, luxury? Riding in the leather seats, peanut butter seats. Don't you want that? Yes. What about your family? What about you and your family taking a vacation trip to a resort on an island? Yeah. You got to have it. Don't you got to have it? You got to have it. Like, yo, baby, you got me on that one. Anyway, but listen. You know that your bank account has to be booming. It's so much stuff that you want to have. It's so much stuff that you got to have. And you're like, I got to have it. I got to have it. Speak up, let your voice be heard below. Tell me straight up, one-on-one, that you got to have this lifestyle, Trenius. Say, Trenius, I got to have this lifestyle. Okay? And so that's how I felt. That's how I felt when I was learning about the law of attraction. I'm like, yo, why can't I get 100% results? Now, here's the kicker. Listen close. Here's the kicker. If you tuned in to this much of the video, you're doing a fabulous job. Haps off to you, okay? Because most people quit. Most people give up. And they never ever fulfill their dreams. Excuse me. Woo! So hot and humid out here. Anyway, listen. You have to be in touch with your purpose. Okay? You have to be in touch with your purpose in life. Okay? Now, you might ask yourself, well, how do I know my purpose, Trenius? I'm about to tell you right now. Before I actually advertise to you what I want you to buy, I'm gonna tell you how to find your purpose before I tell you what I want you to buy, that I will help you with your purpose. Okay, listen, what you got to do is You got to do like I did. When I was down and out and I was trying to figure out where I should go in life, all this pressure was on me. I had to get in the habit of connecting the dots of the past versus trying to connect the dots in the future. Connecting the dots in the future is impossible. You can never figure out what your purpose is by connecting dots in the future. The future ain't even now until the future comes. So you have to get in the habit of connecting the dots in the past. So what I did for 5 or 6 months was I meditated on all of the things that happened to me in the past. Why did I go to jail? Why did I get in a divorce? Why was I working at this job? And why did this job fire me? Why did this job turn me down? Why did I go to college here and then dropped out? Why did I get a ticket here, versus I did something illegal here, but I didn't get a ticket for it? Why did I hate math, but I was good at art? I had to meditate on these things day and night for at least like a whole week for the 2 months, man, if that makes any sense. Basically, I did it for a short amount of time, okay? The more I began to meditate on these things of like my past, the more the universe began to enlighten in me the future of who I really was, like what I was really created to do. So if you do the same process, if you just take the next 3 nights and just meditate on all the things in the past, connecting the dots in the past, I can guarantee you your intuition is going to tell you things about yourself that you never ever knew. Okay? Now, for those of you, if that fails for you, if that doesn't work, I have a purpose course. It works well. As a matter of fact, I wrote it myself, word for word. No robot wrote it. I didn't hire nobody to write it for me. No, Trenius Henderson does all of his courses and his classes by himself, okay? I wrote it myself, and I'm helping you to figure out what your purpose is word for word. And I even include like some secret videos inside this purpose course that you can watch as well that will also help you find your purpose. And plus, I even opened up the availability to be able to talk to me in order to know more about what your purpose is. So basically, at the end of the day, you will know your purpose if you get my purpose course, okay? That will be in the comment section at the very top of the comment section. I'm gonna put a link there for my purpose course, all right? Moving on. So how to get 100% results from the law of attraction. This is another way you get 100% results from the law of attraction. Visualization. Once upon a time, I thought this was a really fancy word. I thought this was just some fugazi stuff. I thought this was wishful thinking. I didn't think that you could like visualize things and they'll actually like come into your reality. Like, I can visualize things and it just come to my reality. Oh my God, money grows on trees. A car is falling from the sky. Oh my God. Like, I was like, what? Visualization? Lazation no visual? Huh? Like, I didn't understand like what all these terms meant. Law of attraction and manifestation. Manifestation. Visualization. Like, what is that? That's some retarded stuff. But nah, man, it's really real. The better you're able to visualize where you want to be, where you want to go, how much money you have, the more you're able to create in the screen of space in your mind, okay? Your mind is like a movie theater, okay? Up here is where you create the future. A lot of people wonder, what's going to happen in the future? What you thinking about right now? That's what's determining the future every single day. And a lot of people don't even know why their life goes this way and that way and that way and diagonal and up and down and northwest and due west and south and east. They don't know that they are creating their future right now based on what they're visualizing and what they're thinking in their mind right now. Is what creates the future. Notice, you can never go backwards. You can never go back to yesterday. But we can always go into the future, right? Now, the only thing you could do for yesterday is you could connect the dots of what happened yesterday because the universe was talking to you way back then. You can connect the dots of what happened yesterday to get your purpose. That's easy. But to get the law of attraction to work for you, you have to visualize what you see yourself doing in the future. And that's when the universe will do its part and do its magic and trying to make these things happen for you. It will make these, ain't no trying. It will make these things happen for you that you are visualizing right now, and it'll happen in divine timing. Now you might ask yourself, well, Trenius, I'm a great visualizer, but I just want to know, am I doing the right thing? Is it working for me? How do I know it's working for me? Okay, here's the first sign. When you go to bed at night, do you have lucid dreams? Okay? Comment and speak up, let your voice be heard below. And give this video a thumbs. Do you have lucid dreams? Don't lie, tell the truth, be honest, okay? This is an honest video. I'm as real and as sweaty as can be right now, coming to you right now in humiliation, okay? If you are able to go to bed at night, you're able to dream, and then when you wake up in the morning, you can remember what you seen, you can remember what you ate in the dream, you can remember who relationship you was trying to mess up. You can remember the ice cream you ate. You can remember the weather, what it was like where you was at. You can remember how it felt when you went in the swimming pool. You can remember all these things really lucidly. Then that means that you have a powerful visualization skill, powerful visualization ability. Okay, that means that your visualization skills are strong. So if you have very strong visualization skills, that means that you have a better chance at creating your smart person said, the intelligent person, future. So if you're going throughout your day, every single day, you're visualizing all the things that you want to do. This is a part of life now, baby. Now you're tapped into the secret law of attraction. Okay, now you're about to start beginning to get 100% results even after this video. Okay, you're gonna get 100% results after this video. And keep in mind, first thing, like I said, in order to get 100% results from the law of attraction, look at that butterfly that just went by me. That's how you know this is all in perfect divine timing, okay? The little butterfly just literally flew by my face just like that, and he like almost grazed my ear, you know? He wanted to touch Trenius. But anyway, so keep in mind, folks, when you are in tune with your purpose, that's when everything just flows. If you're not in tune with your purpose and you just want things from the law of attraction to happen. Like, I just want this to happen. I just want this to happen. Universe is like, why should we give it to you? You don't have nothing to do with what you were created for. It don't have nothing to do with your needs. You want things just to be wanting them. I don't think I'm gonna just waste my time and going to shift everybody else's life around your life because this is what you want. That's how the universal law of attraction be thinking. So make sure that you're in tune with your purpose. Make sure that you're using the power of visualization. And listen, this is the next thing you must know in order to get 100% results from the secret law of attraction. Make sure that you are doing the best you can to stay away from negatives. Negatives. You know why I'm so positive right now? You know why I'm in such a great mood, such a great vibe right now? It's because I do a good job of staying away from negative energy. Whether that's negative self-talk. I don't talk to myself negative when I'm not around. I talk in confidence. I don't talk to myself negatively when nobody ain't around. I don't say negative things to myself. I don't say negative things to other people. Okay? Number 2, I stay away from gossip. I don't be around people that talk about other people. That's just something I don't do because I don't be around negative things. Because I know it's all about positive energy in order to get the law of attraction to work and get 100% results. I don't watch the news. Yes, I would like to know what the weather gonna be today, but who cares? The weather gonna do what it wanna do anyway. Okay? So I don't watch the news. I don't watch negative movies. People was like the other day, they was like, Trent, why you ain't go, what's that new movie, that recent movie that just came out that everybody went to go watch? It was like a horror movie. It wasn't it. That was a long time ago. It was some movie that just came out. Why, Trent, why you don't want to go watch this, Trent? Everybody's talking about it. So what? So what? My name is Trend, but I don't follow in trends. I don't do what the status quo does. I don't watch horror movies. I don't watch negative movies. I don't get in type of any negative involvement or nothing. You know why? Because all of this stuff gets into your brain. It gets into your brain and it have you thinking things that are not even your thoughts. Okay, so this is another thing that you must know in order to get 100% results using the secret law of attraction. Keep your brain clear from all epitomes, if that's even a word. Keep your brain clear from all negative influences. You know, if you around negative influential people or in your life, you better make sure that you know that you got to hold your ground solid when you go around them, okay? Otherwise, don't go around them, okay? Now, the 4th thing to do in order to get 100% results using the secret law of attraction is this. Hire me. I am a life coach. This is what I do for a living. This is my passion, and this is my purpose, okay? So make sure that you hire me. Make sure that you hire me. How great could it be to talk to somebody who's just like you, a like-minded individual? We think on the same We think on the same wavelength. We got the same frequency, the same vibration. We're both energetic. We both want to live our dream life. We both got to have it. No matter what, we got to have this thousands of dollars. We got to have it. What more would it be to connect with a person like me for $19.99? That ain't nothing. Come on, man. My little brother can make $19.99 a day. You know what I mean? No, not a day for me. Just a month. Come on. My little sister can do that. So with that being said, folks, this is how you get 100% results using the secret law of attraction. If you got to run this video back over, run it back over. Once again, my name is Trenius Henderson. I am your life coach, folks. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon up there. That's me. Click that face icon. Hit the bell notification if you have not hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. This is how you get 100% results using the law of attraction. Secrets they don't tell you. Check out one of these other videos right here. Connect with me. Hire me. Hire me. Please hire me. Please hire me. Please hire me. Please hire me. Workout. To the left. One top, two down. One top, two down. I'm saying it all wrong.